I'm about to save you over $200 per year. Right now, you're probably paying for expensive software subscriptions that you don't need. GitHub Copilot, ChatGPT Plus, Midjourney, Adobe Suite, the bills add up fast. But what if I told you there are completely free alternatives that are just as good, sometimes even better? I've replaced 10 expensive tools with free AI alternatives, and I'm going to show you exactly which ones, how to use them, and how much money you'll save. Let's dive in. Tool number 1, Cursor AI. This replaces GitHub Copilot, which costs $10 per month. Cursor is an AI-powered code editor that writes code with you in real time. It's built on VS Code, so if you're already comfortable with VS Code, you'll feel right at home. The AI understands your entire code base, suggests intelligent completions, and can even refactor your code. How to get started? Download Cursor from cursor.sh. It's free for personal use with 2,000 completions per month, which is more than enough for most developers. The AI is powered by GPT-4, so the code quality is excellent. Here's a quick demo. I'm building a React component. Watch how Cursor suggests the entire function based on just my comment. That's the power of context-aware AI. Monthly savings, $10. Tool number 2, Claude Sonnet 4. This is my ChatGPT Plus replacement, and it's completely free. While ChatGPT Plus costs $20 per month, Claude offers similar capabilities at no cost. But here's where Claude shines. It's significantly better at coding tasks, handles longer context windows, up to 200,000 tokens, and it's more nuanced in its responses. I use Claude for code reviews, debugging complex problems, writing documentation, and generating entire features. The free tier gives you plenty of usage for personal projects. Access it at Claude.ai. Create a free account and you're ready to go. For coding tasks, I've completely switched from ChatGPT to Claude. Monthly savings, $20. Tool number 3, Windsurf Editor. This is brand new and it's replacing Cursor for many developers, which itself costs $20 per month for the Pro version. Windsurf just launched and it's incredibly powerful. It's an AI-first code editor with agentic coding capabilities. What does that mean? The AI doesn't just suggest code. It understands your project goals and can implement entire features autonomously. The interface is cleaner than Cursor, the AI responses are faster, and best part? It's completely free during the beta period. Even after beta, they're committed to a generous free tier. Download it at codiem.com Windsurf. Trust me, this is going to be huge. Monthly savings, $20. Tool number 4, Dev. This replaces Webflow at $29 per month, and it's absolutely mind-blowing. V0 is Versal's AI-powered UI generator. You describe what you want in plain English, and it generates production-ready React code using Tailwind CSS and ShadCN.UI components. The code is clean, modern, and actually usable. Watch this. I'll type, create a landing page for a SaaS product with a hero section, features, and pricing table. And boom, in 30 seconds, I have a beautiful responsive landing page. The free tier gives you 200 credits per month, which is enough for several projects. Access it at vzio.dev. Monthly savings, $29. Tool number 5, NotebookLM. This replaces Otter.ai at $17 per month, and it does something even cooler. NotebookLM is Google's AI-powered note-taking and research tool. Upload documents, PDFs, websites, and it creates a knowledge base you can chat with. But here's the game changer. It can automatically generate a podcast-style audio overview of your content. I uploaded a research paper, and NotebookLM created a 10-minute podcast with 2 AI hosts discussing the key points. It's incredibly natural and perfect for learning on the go. It's completely free with your Google account. Go to notebooklm.google.com. Monthly savings, $17. Tool number 6, Perplexity AI. This is my Google replacement for research tasks, and it's better than ChatGPT's web search feature. Perplexity searches the internet in real time and provides answers with citations. Unlike ChatGPT, you see exactly where the information comes from. It's perfect for research, fact-checking, and staying updated on current events. The free tier is generous. You get dozens of searches per day using their standard AI model. For most users, that's more than enough. The interface is clean, the responses are fast, and the citations build trust. Access it at Perplexity.ai. Monthly savings. This replaces the need for ChatGPT plus web search, so let's call it $10. Tool number 7, Leonardo.ai. This replaces Midjourney at $10 per month. Leonardo is an AI image generator that's specifically designed for consistency and control. Unlike Midjourney, you get a canvas-based interface where you can edit, extend, and refine your images with precision. The free tier gives you 150 daily tokens, which translates to about 30 to 50 images per day, depending on the model you use. That's more than enough for most creators. I use Leonardo for thumbnail creation, social media graphics, and blog post images. The quality rivals Midjourney, and the control is actually better. Sign up at Leonardo.ai. Monthly savings, $10. Tool number 8, RunwayML. This replaces Adobe Premiere and After Effects for AI-powered video editing. RunwayML offers incredible AI video tools: background removal, motion tracking, green screen, text-to-video, and image-to-video generation. For creators who don't need the full Adobe suite, RunwayML is a game changer. The free tier gives you 125 credits, which is enough to experiment with all the features and create several short videos per month. For professional video editors, Adobe is still king. But for content creators and social media managers, RunwayML is more than enough. Check it out at RunwayML.com. Monthly savings. Adobe Creative Cloud costs about $55 per month. If RunwayML meets your needs, that's significant savings. Let's conservatively say 30. Quick fire round. 2 more tools. Number 9, Canva AI. Replaces Photoshop for graphic design. The free tier includes AI-powered background removal, magic eraser, and text-to-image generation. Savings, $10 per month. Number 10, Remove.bg. Free background removal for images. Replaces Photoshop for this specific task. Completely free for standard resolution. Savings, another $10 if you were paying for Photoshop just for this. That's all 10 tools. Let's add it all up. Cursor AI, $10. Claude, $20. Windsurf, $20. V.dev, $29. NotebookLM, $17. Perplexity, $10. Leonardo, $10. RunwayML, $30. Canva AI, $10. Remove.bg, $10. Total monthly savings, $166. That's almost $2,000 per year. Here's your action plan. Pick 3 tools from this list that you'd use immediately. Sign up for them today. Replace your expensive subscriptions. Start saving money. All the links are in the description below with timestamps so you can jump to any tool. If this saved you money, hit subscribe. I drop a new AI tool video every week. See you in the next one.